Hope you're having a great day so far. Today is January 9th, Saturday, and on this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets, which includes Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action, before diving into the graph, GRT, USD, and see what exactly is going on in this market since the last time we have spoken. I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on these markets, according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and it will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it's extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I'll get to them a lot faster that way. Now, see what exactly is going on in the markets first. Most importantly, I do like to take a look into Bitcoin dominance. Tells me what the money could be trending into, would it be Bitcoin or altcoins. Currently, and as I have said yesterday, the time frame I was focusing on was on the daily time frame, where there could have been a possible head and shoulders pattern that was developing yesterday. However, as of today, it does look like a lot more like a head and shoulders pattern right now, as the price action, as I predicted yesterday, has not been able to actually get a daily candle close above 71%, building this right shoulder right here. So currently, it does look like the price action could be breaking down from this head and shoulders pattern. The neckline I am looking for would be about 68.6% on the daily time frame. If we start getting daily candle closes above this neckline right here, I'll be a lot more inclined to believe that Bitcoin dominance will continue trending downwards, which tells me it could be a lot better trading opportunities for altcoins, as opposed to if Bitcoin dominance trends upwards. Okay, if Bitcoin dominance trends upwards and Bitcoin price action pulls back, as we have seen earlier this week, it could take quite a bit of the altcoins down with it. So trading or holding altcoins under these circumstances, I would take what I just said into consideration, at least personally. Now let's take a look into Bitcoin price action and see what exactly is going on. I also do want to point out before heading to Bitcoin price action, however, I do have a breakdown target of this Bitcoin dominance to be about 63.5%. I'm going to continue covering this daily and see if I am right or wrong. Now let's take a look into Bitcoin price action here and see what exactly is going on. Since yesterday, I did mention that on the hourly time frame, there was a possible rising wedge pattern that was forming. However, the price action did break that initial bottom trend line here, and now it looks a lot more like a rising channel pattern right now. Let's see if this rising channel pattern actually holds due to quite a bit of the bullish sentiment I've been seeing in the Bitcoin price action market, in the Bitcoin market. If this rising channel pattern actually holds, I do have a estimate here based on this top trend line that the price action will actually get to about 44K here if it actually stays intact and the price action actually takes a swing to the upper trend line. Of course, the later the swing gets to the upper trend line, the higher that price level will actually get to. Okay. Now, I also do want to point out, though, that there was, and I think there still is, possible bearish divergence on the 12-hour time frame here, where it could actually look like it's playing out right now. I think the 6-hour time frame could be over, but I will still be looking out for this as well on the 6-hour time frame. On the 12-hour time frame, it looks like it could be over, but I'm not gonna lose track of what could be going on because it could still be breaking down. Now, like as I've been mentioning, if I do see bearish divergence on a specific time frame, my conservative estimate is for the price action to meet the closest moving average on that specific time frame. So, for example, if I do see bearish divergence here, comparing this high right here with this high, however, lower highs on the RSI, I would expect the price action to at least meet the next closest moving average on this time frame, which in this case would be the 21 simple moving average, which is pretty close to the bottom trend line here. Okay, so this could be happening if the moving average can actually come up to meet this bottom trend line, or the bottom of this rising channel pattern could also fall out. Now, applying this same assumption here on the 6-hour time frame, the 6-hour 21 simple moving average is actually pretty downwards here. Okay, so a possible scenario is, given the bullish sentiment in the market, in the Bitcoin market right now, it could be that the price action will be consolidating within this rising channel pattern until these moving averages come up, or if I am wrong about that bullish sentiment, at least for now, price action could actually drop to some of these moving averages, some of these closest moving averages on these specific time frames. 4-hour up to the 12-hour time frame is where I'm seeing possible bearish divergence. Let's see which scenario actually plays out. On the higher time frames, I don't see any possible bearish divergence, so it looks, in that sense, I don't really see any red flags from there, at least from bearish divergence, that is. However, on the monthly time frame, as I've been mentioning, this could be possible bearish divergence here on the monthly time frame. Let's see if this actually plays out, because if it does, it could be significant. It's not something I'll be losing track of, but I do recognize the bullish sentiment in the market. Now let's take a look into GRTUSD and see what exactly it could be going on in here. Since the last time I have spoken on GRTUSD, I did mention that I do recognize that this is the breakout of this falling wedge pattern, like I have been mentioning. Measure target of this breakout is going to be about 59 cents. May or may not be reached. It is only a theoretical breakout. Can it be overreached? Yes, it can. I'm just a little bit more on the conservative side. Now, after the breakout, price action has actually broken through quite a bit of moving averages I mentioned that could be acting as key resistances. However, there's one that the price action has not yet been able to break through, which is the daily 21 simple moving average. Has gone rejected once, twice, and this could be looking like a third swing to actually attempt to actually break this moving average right now. Currently about 40 cents, okay? So let's see if this is going to be the attempt to actually that actually breaks this moving average. Now, whenever I do see price action trying to break a key moving average such as the daily 21, my safe assumption is that it's not going to break it the first time. So it's been 2 times, and this could be the 3rd attempt. So let's see if it actually breaks it this time. Let's take a look into the smaller time frame and see what exactly could be going on in here. On the smaller time frame, on the hourly time frame, I did see a possible double bottom pattern that could be playing out right now. The neckline of the small double bottom pattern is about 35 cents. Price action is above, it's currently at about 35 cents right now, and seeing if this price action can actually go towards the measured target of the small double bottom pattern. The measured target of the small double bottom pattern is about 39 cents, okay? So this could tell me that if the price action actually gets towards the measured target of this double bottom pattern, it could basically take the price action to that 21 daily simple moving average and attempt to actually break it this time. Now, this is my very short analysis of the graph. For now, let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenario. Bullish case scenario here, if price action actually go towards the measured target of this double bottom pattern, possibly taking an attempt to actually breaking the daily 21 simple moving average, and furthermore actually breaks it, okay? Then I'll be looking at the measured target of this falling wedge pattern instead, which would be about 59 cents. May or may not be reached, could also be overreached as well. That is the bullish case scenario. Let me reiterate. First of all, if this double bottom pattern actually plays out to the fullest, takes the price action to its measured target, which would be pretty close to about the daily 21 simple moving average, and then actually breaking that daily 21 simple moving average this time and go towards the measured target of that bigger falling wedge pattern at about 59 cents. Let's take a look into the bearish case scenario. Price action has actually just broken on top of some of these smaller time frame moving averages, such as the hourly 21, 50, and 200 right here. So all about the 33-34 cent level. Okay, so price action has actually flipped them from resistance, and now they are supports. Okay, so this will not look good if the price action actually starts breaking back below these moving averages that they have just built as support. This tells me it's flipping these supports back into resistance, and that this possible breakout through that daily 21 simple moving average could either be delayed or further downward price action is still possible. So this is what I'm looking at right now for GRTUSD, and these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. Let me know if you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. Hope you manage your risk carefully, and if you would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.